In this video, I will guide you on how to disable Google Apps Swipe Left on Android home screen. Now, when you swipe left, you can find the Google app over here. So if you do not want this, what you can do is long press anywhere on the home screen. Once you do that, this menu will appear. Now tap on this gear icon to open up your settings. Once you're on your settings, scroll down and find the option of Add Media Page to Home Screen. Go ahead and tap on that. Here you have two options, Google Discover and Samsung News. Go ahead and toggle this option off. Once you toggle it off, now check. When you swipe left, nothing will appear. Now, if you again want to enable the Google app swipe left, you can simply press and hold on your home screen, then tap on settings and enable that toggle, or you can simply swipe left and over here toggle on this option as well. In this way, you can easily disable Google Apps Swipe Left on Android. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.